This month's quick tip is an amazing technique to help relieve thoracic outlet syndrome, but it's also pretty incredible for anybody who's got a shoulder or a neck or is just human. I'm starting with a technique that lifts the clavicle up and away so that you can get a better hold of it, but it also shifts the way the upper traps sit on the scapula and the space around the scalenes so that you can do this work more effectively. Okay, so before I dive into the clavicle, what I'm doing is I'm having my client extend her arm down into the table and simultaneously lift her shoulder up towards the ceiling. This offers a little bit of a twist to the upper traps and helps to drop the scalenes, which are attached to the first rib, down away from the superficial tissues. I've held my compression into the upper traps while she did this so that she can start to feel the separation of all those parts, and now I can dive into the clavicle. And this is the best part. Just grab onto the upper traps and the clavicle with both of your hands and shake those elements free from all of the pressure, all of the responsibilities, all of the deadlines, all of the expectations, all of the things that prevent us from breathing deeply, sleeping well, and living a pain-free life. One thing to take note of here, make sure to use the sides of your fingers and your thumb pads while grabbing the clavicle and the upper traps, because nobody's going to have any relief if your fingers feel more pokey than therapeutic. And then the last thing I want to say is make sure that you work medial to lateral, because the thing we're trying to combat here is that smashed in, jammed up, locked down feeling that can happen when life punches you in the arm one too many times, or you just sleep on your side too much. This video is brought to you by Say My Name, my unscented product line. Don't be fooled by its sarcasm. Its rich depth supports your work without distracting the olfactory system into overload. When you want to focus on the work without the smell, just say my name. Head over to rebelmassage.com or just click the links below.